Good morning everyone, I'm here to introduce you the proper distress message, urgency message, and safety message on the vessel. Mayday, 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 this is MB Corona. I repeat, this is MB Corona. Call sign Lima Alpha Papa 04 MMSI 257501000. Position latitude 35 degree 32 north. Longitude 004 degree 09 east. My vessel is on fire. I repeat, my vessel is on fire. I require immediate assistance. Pan. All station, all station, all station. This is Blackbeard. Call sign Charlie, Foxtrot, Romeo, India. Large bulk tanker appears not under command. It is heading for South Harbor Bridge. It may collide with bridge pylon. Unknown tanker change course immediately over. Security. All station. This is Bridge Master. Bridge Master. Land 02 Lima Alpha November 02. Dirt drifting containers observed in position 35 degrees 11 minutes north and 005 degrees 40 minutes west. Ship in the area, keep sharp lookout.